Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. Last week, we went over two-digit addition with and without regrouping. We talked about setting up our problem vertically and using place value pictures to help us solve. These strategies are very helpful when we're adding, so we have a good understanding of our tens and ones and don't confuse them. A lot of our strategies are similar for two-digit subtraction with and without regrouping. However, there are some differences. Today I'm going to show you what I mean. So we're starting with two-digit subtraction without regrouping. Our problem is going to be 28 minus 15. And I've already set it up vertically for us. So I have my tens and ones broken up so I don't confuse them. 28 minus 15. And I have my place value chart set up. And you might be noticing a little bit of a difference this week. Last week with addition, we had our parts in the place value chart because addition is when you're putting two parts together to create a whole. I needed to show both parts so I could combine them to make a whole. When I'm subtracting though, I already have my whole and I'm breaking it apart. And I need to show that in my place value picture chart. So I have a picture here of my whole, 28, that I'm going to break into two parts. Just like with addition, we always start on the one side when we're subtracting. So let's look at our ones first. I have 8 ones to start, and I'm going to take away 5. So I have 8 ones to start, and I'm going to take away 5. What I like to do when I'm subtracting is cross out so I can keep track of how many I've taken away. So I need to cross out 5 ones because I'm taking 5 away from 8. Go to my ones where I have my 8 ones and 28, and I'm going to cross out 5 of them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've crossed out 5 of my ones. That means I have 1, 2, 3 ones left. I had 8 ones. I crossed 5 out because I had to take away 5. And now I have 3 left. Now that I've subtracted my ones, let's move on to my tens. In 28, I have 2 tens, but I'm being asked to take away 1 10. So let's look here. I have 2 tens here. I'm being asked to take away 1. So I'm going to cross out 1 of my tens. Now that I've crossed out 1 of my tens, I see I have 1 10 left. So I have 1 10 left. I have 1 10 left and 3 ones left. I took away 5 ones and got 3. I took away 1 10 and got 1. I have 1 10 and 3 ones left. What is 28 minus 15? Yeah, it's 13. 28 minus 15 equals 13. So as you can see, our strategy is kind of similar to addition because we're still using our vertical subtraction problem. And as you can see, the whole is on top always. My whole is 28. So I need to put my whole on top. And I've crossed out what I'm taking away. I was taking away 5 1, so I crossed out 5. I was taking away 1 10, so I crossed out 1. So 28 minus 15 equals 13. Here is our challenge problem. We're going to go over this tomorrow. Our challenge problem is 18 minus 12. As you can see, I've already shown you how to set it up vertically with my whole on the top. 18's on the top because it's my whole. 18 minus 12. And I've set up my place value chart with my whole 18 inside it. And I have my whole in there because I need to break 18 apart. I know you guys will do a great job subtracting 12 from 18, completing 18 minus 12. Keep working hard. Keep going on Zern. Keep working on your instructional packets. I love you girls, and I will be back tomorrow to go over this problem with you. All right. Bye-bye.